think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this.
While shopping.
For shopping with us today.
So we're done shopping for now, but we're going home and then Mac is going to get changed and we're going to the city for more shopping. We're going to I lost my necklace at Costco because it's not in the car, so it's probably at Costco. We're at the city and we thought the stores won't close, but like every store is closed or closing. We came here for nothing. We actually thought that it would be open until 8, but it's not. My screen is so dirty. Foggy. What are we doing? What are we gonna do now that we're gonna eat something and fill up our tummy? Just eat and go back. Yeah. बंदी से मोमो गर्ल कैसी आदमी है ये जो खाते जाता है खाते जाती है matcha
Kelden, why did you try doing this? Mother, maybe I have to start, I don't know.
and those people. There's like so many people waiting for bus because like right now the firework has finished. So yep, they're all going home. Got the cake. Now we're waiting for an Uber. Cake man.
Happy birthday.
Oh, the volume won't be. Cake don't want this
Hooray!
We love you. Hey guys, so it's the Saturday today. It's the day today. So it's Kelden's birthday, and right now it's just 11, I think. So I woke up quite earlier. Like the house is a little bit of a mess. So just ignore that because we're gonna set it up later on. So Lucky and I were going to go and buy gifts for Kelden because we couldn't do it yesterday. The city was already closed. So right now we're going to go and get gift for her. So I'm ready. I'm just waiting for Lucky so that we can go. Kata Jenny? We're going to get her some. I forgot that my phone has the cinematic longer feature, so it's just right now that I remember. So like from tomorrow I'm gonna record it. Cinematic. Finally got one parking. We've been circling around for almost 15 minutes for parking. It's so hard to get parking. It's so hard to get parking during weekends. We don't know what to buy. We're trying to buy gifts for Kelden and we don't know what to buy her because like everyone's got everything she wanted. So Lucky and I were just going around looking for things that might look good on Kelden or things that Kelden might like. But instead we got one shirt each. We're finally done. So Lucky bought a Swarovski set for her and I got her a perfume. So Kelden, like you said that Kelden wanted YSL perfume. So I got her that one because like before I wanted to get her like heel because like everybody's getting her everything she wants. Someone's getting her a bag, someone's getting her shoes, so like she's getting everything. So I got her perfume. So now we're going home because like we have a lot to do. We didn't even start decorations, so we have to go home, start decorations, start cooking. We have a lot of work.
Oh, we gotta pick up balloons.
Oh, we gotta pick up balloons before that. So right now we're heading home and on the way we'll pick out the balloons. And meanwhile we got ourselves some snacks. Ah, this comes with, oh I thought it was a chopstick. A mini sushi. Dropped it. Wait, print me a second. Sauce looking. Yeah. Oh, it's good. Tokyo only Bhutanese.
Of course. Tokyo.
I was so dizzy the whole time we were shopping.
Tokyo'da no. Dutch 좀 디즈니고요.
그래서 그 먹고 싶은 거 있으면 말이야. 안 지내면. 그것도 말을 스낵스나.
Ready? Just stir fried. Katsu deep fried and skin crispy.
Tomaty를 또 미소고 참 스타터스 참치.
Hey Siri. I'll eat later. Some buffalo wings. Chapati, some chili chop. And what else?
스페셜 파마산. So we just got home and I changed and now I got car sick. So I'm just having lemon water and I just took a Panadol. So like it's been a hectic day because like yesterday also I didn't sleep early. I slept very late and I woke up really early today. So it's like, I don't know, it just gave me a headache. So now that I've rested for a while, I'm gonna start working. Kelden and Lucky is setting up the backdrop while I'm about to blow all these balloons. Right now it's a mess, but after we're done it will be all pretty, so I'll show you guys later. So the theme for today is blue and black. We're all the guests were wearing black, except for the birthday girl. She's gonna wear blue, something like this. So the balloons, blue and black as well. This is how much we've done. Lucky. Now I'm going to make chili chop for the starters. So it's me making. The chilies have already been cut by Kelden, so I just have to make the batter with some basin and some flour and fry it in oil. It's just as easy as that.
Ring. Hello ma'am, your delivery. Make it myself. Hello ma'am. Oh, excuse me.
Cake delivery by Kelden for his Unsuccessful.
Only my hand.
Let me see the cake. 24. 아버지 다들만 쇼니. Just done making children. Now Lucky is going to make beefy manalo. Beef here.
A studio container.
And to show you guys the setting, here are all the drinks, water. For people who don't drink, there's juice and water. There's the drinks, wine, fruits, jello shots, alcohol jelly. Here are the drinks. Here's the setting. So it says happy birthday here. There's the cake stand. And to show you guys the outside. So there will be games later on. So that's for the games. That's one here, another one here, and another one here. And for anyone, and for rest of the people who don't fit in here, they can all sit there. So this is the setting outside. We're going to set up all the food on that table. So right now we're still cooking. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Kelden.